Let's check one example, finding excluded values or restrictions and simplification. So let's try question number 5 on page 24. X squared plus 5x minus 24 over x squared minus plus 16x plus 64. So now you will have to use all your knowledge of factoring to simplify this rational expression. But first, you should find the restrictions when the denominator is not equal to 0. So the easiest way to do it is to actually factor first and then give the restrictions when you have a trinomial like this. So I will factor on the side x squared plus 5x minus 24. Remember all the steps for factoring. Do I have GCF? No. Two term, it's not a difference of squares. This is simple trinomials, and I will use m and n method. So remember that m times n must be equal to a times c, and m plus n must be equal to b. So m plus n is equal to 5, and m times n is equal to negative 24. So which two numbers would that give me? So let's try negative 24. Is it 6 times 4? That's not, when you add them up, that's not 5. What about 8 and 3? So 8 and 3 would not give me negative 24, it would give me 24. But again here, if I add them up, I would not get 5, but if I subtract them, I would get 5. So what if I have 8 and negative 3? If I add them up, I have 5 multiply negative 24. So this is x squared plus 8x minus 3x minus 24. If I group it quickly, here it's negative 3x plus 8. So it's x minus 3, x plus 8. Now notice here, I should have, I have a shortcut. See here, 8 and negative 3. Look, I have here 8 and negative 3. So you can go straight from writing, finding MMN to writing your expression. So my first expression in the numerator is x minus 3 times x plus 8. Okay, let's factor the denominator. So denominator